Hi, welcome back. Let's try to explore a couple of fields from your business partner master data. If you take any S4HANA version, legal form and legal entity, okay, let's try to check this one. All fields, most of the times, it is available in cross application section for business partner master data. You can able to see this. This is the configuration basically for your legal form and legal entity. Let's try to explore this, what exactly it is. Okay, let's come here. So let's go to the BP, no issues. And let me try to open an existing customer. Okay, here you can able to see this. These are the two fields. After in between address overview and control, okay, you can able to find one tab called identification. By this time you understood what exactly the identification. So this is what I have already explained you in previous sessions. If you are missing, please watch my YouTube channel if you'd like to. So you can able to see this. You can able to choose whether it is a public limited or private limited or partnership or joint venture. You can able to choose this one. So basically, this is the legal entity. What kind of sector it is belongs to, insurance and municipal body and all these things. Okay, let's try to create it quickly. Okay, slash n SPRO and come to the cross applications quickly. Okay. So if you see this, this is the place where cross applications, and this somewhere in the bottom, you can able to find business partners. Okay. So where you can able to go to, okay, business partners. Okay. Maybe you can go to the, so like, 1 second, this is in organization. You can able to see this, maintain legal form and legal entity. Let's try to define the form, what exactly it is. So maybe I can able to define if my project permits certain things like, uh, private limited. Okay. So all these things useful to identify your customers based on the reports what you are going to develop either ALE or else something else, and you would like to send these fields to your BW support from S4HANA sites. Okay, so this is the short form I'm taking like this PVT maybe dot limited. Okay, so this is one way you can able to define it quickly. And let's come back. Okay, this is, I'm just trying to, so public limited, okay. So corporation, INC, depends on the country, okay. LC, LTD, I'm just limited, okay. I'm just saving this one. If you would like to choose, my customer belongs to, what is the, these are the forms I have. If I want additionally, SAP has given few. If I want, I can able to define this here. This is the most important thing you can learn here. Okay, so like, for example, if I go for, okay, so jet uh, j, okay, joint, maybe like I can able to do that, like, maybe government sector, okay, okay, geo government sector, public. So this is public limited. Okay. So let's keep it this government sector at aside. And so like, what is the advantage of this tick mark? Like if I take this, if it is belongs to private law, then it is one thing. And what is the basic advantage? If I take this, I can able to send this information to BW, BA, or else any other third-party systems, idocs. If I would like to use it, I can able to tick this one. Otherwise, it will not work for you. Okay. Anyhow, let's take this an example. So let's go to the JAD. What I would say, JAD G. Okay. GO with government corporation. Okay, this I'll pick it. Let me do this. I'll put it in the government corp. Okay. Short name. So now it's fine. I got it. What do you want it? You can either you can able to create new BP or existing BP. You can reutilize this. Let me try to assign for existing BP. So let's go for this BP otherwise. So let's go to the currently it is in display mode. Go to the change mode. Okay. Click on F4 and you can able to choose this. For example, this I'm making this one as a so maybe like public limited. So in this public limited, what is the legal entity? What I actually it is a corporation or also government sector public limited. I'm just choosing this one corporation. Okay, you have something called a municipal corporation and all those things. Okay, so let's put this. This is mandatory. Okay, let's save this. So what it is saying. So to the top. J2 does not exist. So input value must be defined in a TVGF where the value J2 not specified. Okay. Okay. This okay. Here I need to define J2 also. I've come here. This is the place also you need it. So this is for customer PP, right? Let's go close this and let's try to save this. Okay, this is how you can able to define your legal form and legal entity. If you don't define at BP level, if you define it to customer level also, that is also sufficient actually. So let's go to store and cross applications. Business partner master data. Go to BP, organization. Let me try to open this one. That's it. Let me show you one more time this one legal entity. So let's do one thing. Let's remove this one. What it will happen, we'll see this. So nothing will happen. It will not have impact. This is for your data flow. So maybe legal form. Okay. This Z1, if It has to be defined at a couple of places. You can observe this one, right? What it is asking you how to define TVGF. That means if you define at BP level also, that should be available as lower value for your customer and your vendor also. Okay, that's what it is asking. So you can clearly say that since it is asking for TVSF, it must be available for your customer. These titles actually, you can able to see this. So let me show you this one for you help. If you are able to see, then this is fine. You are not able to see this one, right? So TVGF, okay, not specified. Customizing settings. When I go to the customization, so let's go to this master data. If I go to this master data, where it will go to your customer master data settings. So this is the difference. That's why I would like to tell you. So if I define as Z1 limited, okay, same thing. It will work for you. So now I can able to choose private limited also. Let's save this. See, it is immediately allowing. This is how you have to play with this. Don't worry about that. The bottom identification it came, that is different configuration. I made it is it must be mandated to allow the value. That's how it works actually. So what is the observation for you? Yeah, if you have defined this legal form and legal entity in BP level also, you must have to define there also. Okay. The private limited tick will be there something like if you would like to transfer the data to other systems, most of them, you can read in help. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. And I would like to request you if you really wanted to learn S4HANA, this is the right place. So BP is actually around 11 hours it is there with the 3 scenarios you can learn in detail. And if you really wanted to learn S4HANA completely, better join this course. So currently it is 50 hours. It will be continuously get updated. If you'd like to learn rebates, this is the place where. If you'd like to learn only business processes alone, also I have a course. This is specifically designed ECC and S4HANA level. These two are for business processes, for having a knowledge on your business process for interviews and your practical learning. Okay, thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.